Hi guys, so I have just made a cat and a dog and look like a bear. If you've been looking, if you've really wanted to make these, it's just, if you see these anyway, that's how you make them. And it has all the stuff inside. Bye guys.